Hey, what's up everybody? It's Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my homemade whole grain banana nut pancakes. Look at that. Now the pancakes consist of whole wheat flour. We also add some grounded flax seeds, oatmeal. In addition to that, we add some bananas and we add some walnuts. So it has quite a bit of fiber in it. This recipe makes about 4 pancakes. It's healthier and absolutely delicious. Look at that. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, and here's all what y'all gonna need to make y'all banana nut pancakes. We're gonna start over here. You're gonna need some stone ground whole wheat flour. I have some ground brown flax seeds right here. Also gonna need some chopped walnuts, some old-fashioned Quaker oats, some sugar, salt, some unsalted butter. We have 1 large egg at room temperature. Also have some baking soda. I have 2 different types of buttermilk. I have the full fat and the non-fat. You could use either or, but I'm going to use both of them. You're also going to need some vanilla extract, butter extract, cinnamon, allspice, and of course you're going to need 1 large banana. And make sure your banana is ripe. And that is it. Okay, let's get started with the preparation of our batter. So for our dry ingredients here, I have a medium-sized bowl. I'm going to add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of the ground brown flax seeds. You can use any other type of seeds if you want to. 2 tablespoons of Quaker oats, 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to just stir all the ingredients together until combined. Alright, and for our wet ingredients here, I have a separate medium-sized bowl, and I took 1 large banana and I just broke it up and added it in there. And I'm going to just take the spoon and I'm just going to mash the bananas until it's creamy and smooth. Now you could add more bananas, maybe an extra banana if you like, but because I don't want to overly saturate the batter, I'm just only going to use 1. Alright, now we have that nice and mashed, and to that I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk at room temperature. Now I took the fat-free and the full fat version and I just combined them together, so it's a 1/2 cup each for me, but for you, you can use 1 full cup of either or. 1 large egg at room temperature, 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of butter extract. And from there, I'm going to take my whisk and I'm just going to stir all the ingredients together until combined. Alright, that looks wonderful. And from there, I'm just going to pour it into the dry ingredients. And from there, I'm just going to take my spoon and I'm just going to stir this until combined. Now the batter will be thick and slightly lumpy. Don't worry about that. That is normal. Okay. Make sure you get all at the bottom with the spoon and everything. And there we have it. Our banana nut pancake batter is ready. Alright, now we're going to let the batter rest for about 5 minutes. Preheat your fire to medium-low heat. In this small skillet, I don't have it greased or anything like that. This is a non-stick skillet. Make sure your fire is preheated to medium-low heat. Gonna let it get hot for about 1 minute. And next I'm going to go ahead and add my prepared pancake batter into the skillet. Now I normally add about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of the pancake batter in there. I just take my spoon and just move the batter around while it's in the skillet. Make it look nice and round, you know. There we go. That looks good. I'm gonna let this sear for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, it's been about 2 to 3 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and just take the pancake, flip it over. And from there, I'm gonna let that side sear for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, it's been about 2 to 3 minutes now, and our pancake should be done. Look at that, it's nice golden brown, exactly what we want. So from there, I'm just gonna take it and I'm going to transfer it onto this serving plate, just like that. And from there, you add your butter and your syrup on top, and there you have it. Whole grain banana nut pancakes made by New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including for these delicious whole grain banana nut pancakes. You can go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Can't wait. Now it's time to go eat and take a bite. I don't know where to start. I'm just going to eat it like this. This is really good. The pancakes have a wonderful banana flavor. It tastes just like banana nut muffins. It's just that you add the butter and the syrup on top, and you have some homemade banana nut pancakes. See? Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a good one. Peace.